Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video coming from Clean Tech. Link will be down below. Definitely check these guys out. This is a UVC air purifier. And this thing is working already. I can feel the difference. Probably about a half hour now since I've got it and turned it on and everything. So here it is, Clean Tech. This over here to show you guys the main unit. And like I said, this thing is amazing so far. There's a fan, power button, just gotta hit it, and you can switch to 24 hours minimum, and you want to do that's off, and again 24 hours max to the max. This is perfect size for office, small bedroom, kids playroom, baby room, pretty much anywhere in your house. Great for condos, apartments, dorm rooms. So since the kiddies are going back to school, I do believe, in college, this might be a good one to get them. Link will be down below. Also, the sides come out. He's got to pull this like that. It could just detach there. This shows the inside. Power source is down at the bottom. That's where you plug it in. And then there's a blue LED light. I can show you in a second. Let me turn the light off. There we go. You can see it kind of glowing. You got the blue glow, the UV. Really cool. The filters underneath to replace, but it should be good for a while. And definitely check them out for replacement filters and stuff like that. But really cool technology coming from Clean Tech. So definitely, guys, check them out. Got the UV lamp, UVC lamp, and it's pretty quiet though. See the light. There we go. So there you go. Pretty easy to set up. You know, just plug it in, turn it on, and then walk away. That's all you gotta do. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.